Hello guys, good morning from here. Today I'm going to show you the basic of content creation, which is starting by generating your video ideas and script with ChatGPT, and then moving over to Gemini AI to generate the pictures that we'll use for the videos. As you can see on my screen, I've already instructed ChatGPT with my video script ideas, and it has already generated me the picture prompt that I'm going to copy the picture prompt and take it to Gemini so that I can get my image ready for the video. As you can see, I've copied the first picture prompt, and then I'll move into my Safari browser and head over to Gemini AI and just type it. And as you can see, migrating to Gemini AI, and we're there. But it seems like my network is a little bit slow, but we are going to get this done. Now I've pasted my first picture prompt on Gemini AI, and you watch him generate my first picture in few seconds. These are the pictures that we are going to use to generate videos for the Faceless YouTube channel. So this is a simple way that you can create content in minutes using ChatGPT and Gemini for the pictures. As you can see, our first fitness picture is ready, created here in Gemini. So I'm going to save it and then go back and copy a picture prompt too, and then go back to the Gemini AI and paste our second picture prompt and wait for Gemini AI to generate a picture, the fitness picture, which we are going to use for a fitness faceless YouTube channel. So on this step, basically I'm just showing you how to generate video scripts and ideas, then generate the pictures from Gemini. Then in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the videos, how to turn these pictures into moving videos. It is awesome and you are going to enjoy it. So just stay tuned and follow every instruction. Now I've pasted in my second image prompt from ChatGPT to the Gemini AI. I'm waiting for the picture to be generated. So it's going to take some seconds. Like I said, my network is a little bit slow this morning. I don't know why, but we're still going to get this done. That's the main thing. So the second picture is ready by Gemini. So we are going to save it. You just watch properly and follow each step. See, our first picture and our second picture is ready. So we're going to save it. Keep it for the next step of generating a video with these pictures. I hope you understand this totally. Is how to save it. You just click download and then you save it to your gallery. You just watch properly. I'm using an iPhone, so I don't know you're using an Android phone or a laptop. It is going to be the same process for the Gemini AI if you're creative with it. So this is how to save. So save, keep it for the video creation later. Thank you, and drop your questions.